Around the Gyeongsang-do provinces, early summer-like conditions continue today. Daegu rose up to 26 degrees, about 10 degrees higher than yesterday. However, the temperature in Seoul and the west stayed at around 20 degrees. As the cold air comes down from the northwest from tonight, it will get chillier tomorrow, with Seoul dropping to single digits, only 8 degrees. Meanwhile, gusty winds are blowing strongly throughout the country again. Strong winds of around 15 meters per second are expected until tomorrow. The atmosphere in the eastern parts of the country will gradually get dry as well. Please take extra precautions not to cause any wildfires. Tomorrow, Chuncheon will start off at 4 degrees, Busan at 10 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 17 to 20 degrees all over the country. Morning will continue to be chilly until early next week. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.